Hi everybody, in Liverpool today, as you can see it is raining, not great for this time of year, but hey ho, never mind. So today's video we're going to talk about spare parts. Keep getting asked the question about, oh, can I buy this, can I buy that from a vehicle. You might see something that's on another vehicle and say, oh, I quite like that for my vehicle that's in there as well, like cup holders and things like that that go in. For example, on the California, you can get those that slide into the railing system that's on there as well. And obviously, if you've broken something or something is broken, you need to replace it that's on there. How do you go about doing that? Well, first things first is you can pretty much get every part you want for a vehicle that's in there via your commercial dealer. So we've got full range that's on there. Some will take longer than others to arrive. Fast moving parts are generally on the shelf, so they could be in the dealership. So if you needed things like pads and discs and stuff like that for that's on the vehicle, obviously we'd always have those in stock. But for things like trims, etc., for vehicles, there's something we'd always order in, and those, depending on how quick they move, they could be in stock, or they might have to wait until they get replenished, but they will generally always turn up eventually. And the key is, because you ask this a lot, is yes, you can buy them. Awnings, you can get those and get those in. So if you've got a California, for example, and it doesn't have an awning on, you can add an awning to it. You can go buy all the bits you need to from the parts department, and your parts department is going to look something like this. So we're at Liverpool, so we've got a big sign up here that says where we are with it. You will notice it confuses everybody because it says trade parts. Ignore that. It's just parts. It's because we're commercial, for some reason they call it trade, that's in there, but that's where the parts department is. We're going to show you a quick round the Liverpool one here, give you an idea of the kind of size and that's in here as well. But I said, pick up the phone, have a chat with the guys at your local van centre if you want parts, for example, that's on there. If it's us, obviously come and have a chat with us, that's here as well. The guys are really knowledgeable. The key that you always work off is the chassis number, really helps. So if you've got a chassis number for your vehicle or your registration number, they can order parts specifically for your vehicle. If it's something that you're thinking, oh, actually, I quite like that and it's on a different vehicle, that's on there as well, is if you've got the chassis number, if it's a friend of yours, if you get his chassis number, it does make it a bit easier because you can probably work out what it is and where the parts are from on there. So as I said, you can pretty much get whatever you want. There's lots of accessories you can buy as well, as I'm sure you've seen them as well. There's even some quite good ones as well. I've just had a look at the other day. We've got some heritage collection ones which come out, so got some more t-shirts and things like that. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video, having a look at parts department and giving you all information about where you can get these parts from and what you can get for your vehicles. So from me, goodbye. We'll see you next time on the video. If you've enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and all the usual good things as well, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.